Hello there, fellow book vibers. Ever wondered what a journey across the United States, Greek philosophy, and motorcycle maintenance have in common? Well, stick around, and you're in for a mind-opening ride as we dive into the fascinating depths of Robert M. Pirsig's philosophical odyssey, Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. Picture this: the wind in your hair, the hum of the engine beneath you, the endless road ahead, and your thoughts as your only company. Now imagine if that journey isn't just a road trip, but a philosophical expedition towards the meaning of quality. That's the world Pirsig takes us to. It's a world where the hum of the engine syncs with the rhythm of thoughts, and each mile unraveled peels away layers of understanding. So let's start our journey with Pirsig, our protagonist, and his son Chris. They are on a summer motorcycle trip across America, a common setting that Pirsig ingeniously uses as a backdrop for complex philosophical inquiries. Pirsig interweaves two types of journeys: the physical journey across the beautiful landscapes, and the mental journey exploring the realm of ideas. While navigating their physical environment, Pirsig and Chris stumble upon the philosophical concept of quality. But what is quality? Is it objective or subjective? That's the key question Pirsig explores throughout the book. He invites us to think, suggesting quality is what makes something stand out as good or valuable, and is a marker of excellence that transcends divisions between the arts and the sciences. As Pirsig delves into this philosophical exploration, the divide between classical and romantic understanding takes center stage. A classic understanding is a nuts and bolts under the hood look at things, much like understanding the intricate mechanics of a motorcycle. On the other hand, a romantic understanding appreciates the beauty, the aesthetics, and the experience. Pirsig asserts that quality bridges this chasm. A key moment in the story arises when Chris's motorcycle breaks down. This event becomes an allegory for the struggle we face when dealing with problems. It's about the frustration, the Zen-like calm needed, and the rewarding joy of understanding and fixing issues. Sounds familiar, book lovers? Have you ever faced a problem that seemed insurmountable initially, but turned into a profound lesson after tackling it? Share your experience in the comments below. Now let's delve into an element we haven't discussed yet: the father-son relationship. Amidst their journey, Pirsig presents us with an intimate view of his evolving relationship with his son, Chris. He gently unfolds the complexities of fatherhood, illuminating the tender moments of connection, the fears, the hopes, and the struggle of conveying life's hard-earned lessons. Pirsig's intimate confession of his past mental illness is another critical element. It gives a powerful backdrop to the narrative as we see him grapple with his former self, Phaedrus. This interplay between past and present selves adds depth to his character and allows us to explore identity and mental health themes. It's impossible to talk about this book without mentioning Pirsig's view on technology. Pirsig argues that our alienation from technology stems from our lack of understanding. By learning and understanding how a motorcycle works, we can break down the wall between us and the machine, and in doing so, achieve a Zen-like state. Have you ever pondered on the concept of stuckness? Pirsig dedicates a part of his journey to exploring this state of being stuck. He argues that this feeling is an opportunity for us to challenge our previous understanding, look beyond conventional solutions, and grow. Pirsig also presents his view on education. Through his past as a rhetoric professor, he questions our educational norms, valuing the pursuit of quality over grades and curiosity over rote learning. Does this resonate with your own educational experiences, book vibers? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And finally, we arrive at Pirsig's greatest revelation, the metaphysics of quality. It's an idea that argues quality isn't just a measure of excellence, but a fundamental force of the universe. It's a concept so radical yet so simple that it forces us to rethink our understanding of the world. Now I want to hear from you, book vibers. Do you believe in the metaphysics of quality? Do you see the world as Pirsig does, a balance between the mechanical and the aesthetic? Or does the idea of quality as a fundamental force challenge your worldview? Start a conversation down below. As we cruise to the end of our journey with Zen and the art of motorcycle maintenance, we realize it isn't just a book. It's a philosophical map that guides us through the landscapes of our minds. Pirsig presents us with a worldview that balances the artistic and the scientific, the subjective and the objective, and he calls this balance quality. So if you haven't read it yet, it's time to hit the road with Pirsig. Let Zen and the art of motorcycle maintenance tune the engine of your thoughts. And when you do, remember to share your insights with our Book Vibes community. And don't forget, if you enjoyed our little philosophical journey today, hit that like button and subscribe to Book Vibes for more insightful book reviews. Because remember, every page turned is a new opportunity for growth. Stay curious, Book Vibers. Until next time, keep reading and vibing.